Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can get a custom profile picture on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here you're gonna find some of your games and applications. If you go here to the game library, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find games, media, and here you're gonna find search, settings, and your profile icon. So right now, if you want to get a custom profile picture, go ahead and click on your profile icon. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find online status, profile, trophies, switch user, and here you're gonna find the option to log out from your PlayStation account. So right now, if you click on profile, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find overview, games, friend, shared, and right here you're gonna find your online status, share profile, edit profile, and lastly privacy settings. So go ahead and click on edit profile, and then you're gonna be right here in this page. You're gonna find name, online ID, you can change your profile picture, avatar, and so on. So go ahead and click on profile picture, and then once you click on profile picture, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna be able to switch between your profile picture and avatar. If you want a custom profile picture, you need to upload it from your PlayStation app. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.